Welcome back, everyone. In our previous sections, we explored routing and rendering in Next.js. Now, let's dive into our third section, data fetching in Next.js. Up until now, our routes and components have featured hard-coded content. However, in real-world enterprise applications, data typically comes from external sources. Next.js App Router uses the React Server Components architecture, which allows us to fetch data using either server components or client components. It's generally advantageous to fetch data using server components as they have direct access to server-side resources such as databases or file systems. This not only taps into the server's computational power and proximity to data sources for efficient data fetching and rendering, but also minimizes the need for client-side processing. In this section, we will explore data fetching techniques using both server and client components in Next.js. Our primary focus will be on server components, which support various configurations for caching, revalidating, and optimizing data fetching according to your specific requirements. On the client side, data fetching is typically managed through third-party libraries such as TanStack Query, which offers its own robust APIs for memoizing requests, caching, and revalidating data. A library like TanStack Query requires its own playlist, so we will only discuss the fundamentals. Now for this section on data fetching, I have set up a new Next.js project in VS Code. I use the command npx create-next-app at latest data-fetching-demo, which is the project name, to create this project. You should see a similar setup on your machine once you run the command. With our setup ready, let's explore data fetching with Next.js.